Are you sick and tired of the ever-rising costs of your utility bills? Relax. We have energy-saving solutions that will help lower your energy costs. SolarWorks is a full-service energy conservation company in Jacksonville, Florida, that has been providing affordable energy-saving solutions for homes and businesses in North and Central Florida since 1997. We are family-owned and operated. We are North and Central Florida's energy conservation experts with over 30 years of experience. We are fully licensed, insured, and bonded, a certified green consultant, and an IWFA certified solar control specialist. We provide energy-saving products and services for both residential and commercial properties, including solar electrical systems, solar attic fans, solar hot water heaters, solar pool heating, window film, insulation, and high-impact Energy Star replacement windows. SolarWorks offers a free complete in-home energy survey with the purchase of any product or service, valued between $250 and $500. Call us today for your free no-obligation estimate. Please call 904-565-2935 for service in North Florida and 407-332-1905 for service in Central Florida.